Here are 5 vegetables that can help improve bowel movements and make you poop better due to their high fiber content and natural digestive benefits. 1. Broccoli. Why it helps. Broccoli is rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool and helps it pass more easily. It also contains sulforaphane, which may protect the gut and support healthy digestion. Tip: lightly steaming preserves its fiber and digestive enzymes. 2. Spinach. Why it helps. Spinach is high in magnesium, which helps draw water into the intestines, softening stool and promoting regularity. Tip: add it to smoothies, salads, or sauté it with garlic and olive oil for best results. 3. Carrots. Why it helps. Carrots are high in soluble fiber, pectin, which helps regulate bowel movements by improving stool consistency and promoting healthy gut bacteria. Tip: raw carrots provide the most fiber, but cooked ones are still beneficial. 4. Sweet potatoes. Why it helps. Sweet potatoes are packed with fiber, especially when eaten with the skin. They also contain complex carbohydrates that help stimulate digestion. Tip: baked or steamed sweet potatoes are great gut-friendly options. 5. Brussels sprouts. Why it helps. Brussels sprouts are loaded with insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool and helps move it through the digestive tract efficiently. Tip: roasting them with olive oil can make them easier to digest and more palatable. Bonus tips: stay hydrated. Fiber needs water to work effectively. Add fiber gradually. Sudden increases can cause gas or bloating. Stay active. Physical movement helps keep your digestive system moving. Thank you for watching. The love and support are truly appreciated.